Jai Hind students, this is chapter 3 for class 9th history, political radicalism and the economical crisis which started after the First World War in Germany. Here, Bolshevik revolution started in Russia. Soviets workers and sailors were established in many cities. The political atmosphere in Berlin was changed and demands for Soviet-style governance. Those opposed to this, such as the uh, Socialist Democrats and Catholics, meant a Weimar to give shape to the Democratic Republic. But here what happened? Weimar Republic crashed and uprised with the help of the war veterans organization called Free Crops. So here in this way they were also known as secret agents of allied nations, socialist, democratic and Catholic, in the mentality of Germans. And here the shape and size was changed in the system of Germany. Communism and socialism henceforth become inheritable enemies and could not make the common cause against Hitler. Both revolution and militant nations covered for the radicals as the solutions. So the crisis behind all these things, that economical crisis were started in Germany. That was Germany had took a big loan for the war, and secondly, to return it, he started to print currency, which also crashed its economy much more. And after all, much more expense were already happened. So it is generally known that after any battle and in defeat of any battle, generally the economical crisis were started in any nation. So Germany had fought the war largely on loan and had to pay war reparations in gold. But the economy was totally failed, and the dependent gold reserve at a time resources was scarce. In 1923 Germany refused to pay, because he have nothing to pay. Then how Germany can pay to allied nations? And the France occupied mainly rich sources, mineral resources, just like Ruhr, to claim their coal areas. Germany returned the passive resistance and printed paper currency. It was also a blunder mistake which happened by Germans. That was recklessly. So the valuation of German currency was now so much reduced in the comparison of dollar, and with too much printed money in the circulations, the value of the German mark fell. In April, US dollar was equal 24,000 marks. In July, that became 3,053,000 marks. So it became a much more bigger, and it day by day become increasing here, that 4,621,000 marks. Marks is a German currency. So such a condition was happen, and American invested a bailed German out of this crisis by introducing uh, Davos Plan. The Davos Plan, which revoked the term replacements of the ease for financial burden on Germany.